Hello everyone, welcome back to Take It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm gonna help you learn how to download posts from Tumblr. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. In order to download posts from Tumblr, the first thing you'll need to do is download Tumblr on your device. After you download this application, go and tap it open. Make sure you're signed into your Tumblr as well. After you do that, tap on Login with Tumblr and allow access for Tumblr to following permissions by tapping on Allow. Now, you can easily download posts from Tumblr. Tap on Open Tumblr at the bottom right, and soon after you do that, you'll be taken to your Tumblr homepage. If you're not signed in, you'll need to sign into your account first. Now, let me select one of the videos out there. In order to download a video, at the bottom of the video, you'll be able to see an envelope kind of a button. Give it a tap, and from this page tap on Tumblr at the top of the screen. If you don't find it there, tap on another and select Tumblr from the options. Once you do that, you'll be able to see a download button on the next page along with the video display. Tap on Download and wait until it downloads on your device. The download has been completed. Now you can go ahead and check your gallery and see for yourself your Tumblr video, which has now been downloaded on your phone gallery with the help of a third-party app. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.